Carlill v. Carbolic Smoke Ball Co, 1893, is a fascinating legal case that has captured the imagination of people for over a century. The story revolves around a woman named Louisa Carlill, who purchased a product called the Carbolic Smoke Ball, which was advertised as a cure for influenza, colds, and other ailments. The company, Carbolic Smoke Ball Co, claimed that the product was so effective that it would pay a reward of £100 to anyone who caught influenza after using the smoke ball according to the instructions provided. Louisa Carlill was impressed by the advertisement and decided to buy a Carbolic smoke ball. She used it as instructed but still caught influenza. She then wrote to the company seeking her £100 reward, but the company refused to pay her. This led to a legal battle that went all the way to the Court of Appeals in England. At the trial, the Carbolic Smoke Ball Co argued that the advertisement was not a legally binding contract, and therefore they were not liable to pay the reward. They claimed that the advertisement was simply a marketing gimmick to attract customers, and there was no intention to create a legally binding agreement. However, the court rejected this argument and held that the advertisement was indeed a binding contract. The court held that the advertisement was an offer to the whole world, and anyone who accepted the offer by using the smoke ball according to the instructions provided, and subsequently caught influenza, would be entitled to the reward of £100. Louisa Carlill had accepted the offer by purchasing and using the product, and therefore, she was entitled to the reward. The Carbolic Smoke Ball Co was ordered to pay the reward to Louisa Carlill, and the case became a landmark in contract law. The case established the principle that an advertisement can be an offer, and if the terms of the offer are clear and certain, then it can be a binding contract. The Carbolic Smoke Ball Co advertisement was an offer to the world, and anyone who accepted the offer by using the product according to the instructions provided would be entitled to the reward. The story of Louisa Carlill and her legal battle against the Carbolic Smoke Ball Co is a fascinating one. It is a story of a woman who stood up for her rights and took on a company that was trying to avoid paying a reward it had promised. It is a story of how the law can protect the rights of individuals against powerful corporations. It is a story that reminds us of the importance of reading the fine print and understanding the terms and conditions of any agreement we enter into. The case of Carlill v. Carbolic Smoke Ball Co, 1893, is not just a legal case. It is a story of human resilience and determination. It is a story that reminds us that we have the power to hold companies accountable for their promises, and that the law is there to protect our rights.